Okay, we are going to learn now the first way to switch positions on the dance floor. This is called a cross body lead. It looks like this. We'll go basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. We'll go back this way. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. The details of how we do this, we'll start on this side so you can see it. We're going to step our basic on 1. On the 2, the guys are going to step a little bit to the outside on 2. And then we're going to open away from the lady on 3. On 5, we're going to step a little bit behind ourselves. 5, lead her across. Turn her on 6. And then come back to your center on 7. Let's do that again together. We're going to do this so many times, so don't worry, you're going to get all the details. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So notice that what I've done is I've moved out of the way of the lady. I lead her across. If my body were a door, you could say I'm opening the door, I'm leading her through, and I'm closing the door. It's my responsibility to get out of the way of the lady. Salsa, or salsa, this style of salsa, LA style salsa, or even New York style salsa, is danced in a slot. So we always want to focus on staying in our line, as opposed to if we're dancing and then all of a sudden we're dancing here. She's making weird faces because it feels weird. And then we're dancing here. You know, we're actually not going to do that. We always want to come back to our slot. So this enables us to do that. So I get out of her way, I lead her through, and then I close the door and come back to the center. For the ladies, make sure that you walk straight, right? I see a lot of ladies come out to the side, big round circle. You don't need that, just walk straight through the door. Let's do it again slowly. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna pull forward gently here, and she's gonna resist back a little bit, so it's actually leading and following. 5, I turn her on 6, back to the center on 7, basic, 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. That is your cross body lead. If you have questions, ask them in the comment section below. I'm more than happy to engage with you guys on this stuff. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button for more of these salsa training videos. Also bachata training videos and videos of me social dancing and performing and doing other crazy things in this life as a dancer here in Los Angeles. My name is Danny Kalman. This is your ultimate salsa training series, the only video series that you will ever need for the proper foundations of salsa. We will see you in the next video.